Hello guys, welcome to yet another video. My name is James from Jayfix Designs, and today we are going to focus on totally again different project. It's not so different because it's a domestic one, but this one is completely minimalist. Now this one in particular, we did it in Eastlands. It was a one-bedroom house in a commercial setup. So it's a one-bedroom house that is meant to be domestic, but in a commercial plot. It is a one-bedroom, as I said. So this is how the project went. And remember, this is one of the projects that we have done that is below 150k budget. So you just let us know how it went, and let's meet at the end of the video. So as usual, we begin by visiting the site. We take the measurements, we see the progressive achievements so far. Now in our case here, you can see no plastering has been done, no roofing has been done. The project is still a bit far from complete, but that's our starting point. Now we can start creating the systems. As you can see now, as the roofing has been done, we have created the electrical systems, and now they are ready for plastering. You can see also the plumbing system are being created here. So you begin with the plumbing and the electrical system, and any other system that needs wall chasing. So that once the systems are properly installed, you can do the plastering and begin the finishes. You can see the washroom. The systems are still being laid. Now when you're done with the internal systems, now you can proceed and go to the outside system. You extend now the systems to their destination. If it is the plumbing, you have to know that that waste and has to be extended to the main sewer line. And also if it is the water inlet, you have to consider getting the inlet from outside and joining it with the inside system. The electrical the same. Now you can see we are done with the systems, and the plastering also has been made. Now we begin with the finishes. That is in our case, we begin with the floor so that it can pave way for the others. In our case, we selected the brown color, the tiles, to bring the wooden effect, because we wanted to have a brown and gray and white combination, also black. You can see now we are done with the tiling. Almost is just a matter of now having the skirting done. Then we get to the washrooms. Once we are done with the floor tiling, we start the wall tiling. And again, after that, you have to do grouting. So you have to make the space clean in preparation for grouting. Grouting is done as a waterproofing measure to make sure that the tile or any ceramic is well fitted and it's ready to accommodate any amounts of water. Now you see the skirting is being done. Remember, the theme dictates the colors, so you have to know what theme you're going with. We consult the client. We also help come up with a theme, and once it's agreed, now it's just a matter of selection. The undercoat has been also done. Once now we have the undercoat paint done, it's just a matter of time. We begin doing cabinetry and other things, the ceiling. Yeah, and in our case, our departments work hand in hand as the cabinetry is ongoing. The wall tiling can also be ongoing, since it is being done at the kitchen and the washroom, where no other interference is expected. At the same time, the cabinetry is still ongoing, and apart from that, also the ceiling is being installed in a different space. So since we have 3 major spaces, the cabinetry is being done in the bedroom, and the ceiling is being done at the sitting area, and then we are having the tiles being installed in the washroom. Now you can see how the complete ceramic installation and also the washroom accessories have been installed. The ceiling has been installed. It's just a matter of doing some finishes. Now the ceiling also has been, the painting has been done. You can see cabinetry has been installed in the kitchen. The wall tiles for the kitchen also have been installed. In our case, we mixed both normal tiles and the decorative tiles to bring up the theme. Okay, since that is an open kitchen, someone has to be notified from the word go that is a kitchen. So we brought that theme. The washroom, everything is set. The ceiling, you can see we have done the cornices. The skirting also has been done. Now the only thing that remains now in our case is just some final touches, the paint work, and now the paint man has to do the first coat of the paint, and then do the second coat, and if necessary we do even a third coat, but in our case we're just going to do the 2 coats. Again, the grouting is being done, tile grouting. As grouting is ongoing, the painting also will be ongoing. You can see the kitchen cabinet. It was a small kitchen, so we had to squeeze the storage areas to fit the needs of the client. So it's just a matter of a small space where you can store extra items. Now you can see most of the things have been done. The painting is on its final stages. Now in our case, we went with pearl gray. That is our theme. Pearl gray is a lighter shade of gray, so you can easily confuse it with the white, but it has some gray in it. So we wanted to brighten the room, so you can see the difference. The white is on the ceiling and then the gray. Yeah, most of the things have been done. It's just a matter of just doing some final touches here and there. Cleaning has to be done. Yeah, you see the mirror has been installed. The wardrobe is ready, and in our case it was a 2-door wardrobe. The electrical fittings are also being done. So today would be our last day in this project. You can see most of the items have been installed. There's not much when it comes to a small space. Yeah, there is not a lot of things that you can do. Just make the space just look better, and that is what we do. You can see the final product. Now the only thing that was remaining up to this point was the window painting. That one has to be done during the weekend to give it enough time to dry, because we were to do the glossy. You can see even the windows are still raw, but once those ones are done, that was it for the project. We did not have much in this project. So guys, that is it from the project. Until next time, bye bye. There you are. I know you have watched the video. You have seen how minimalistic it was. It was not a very big budget. As I said, it was below 150,000. So that answers your questions for those who have been asking whether it's possible to renovate your house with a budget of 150,000. Yes, it is completely possible. Now the only limitation will be on what to be, to have and what not to have. That is what will be limited by the budget. But it doesn't matter how much you have. Whatever you have can do something. You don't have to do everything at once. You can start small. You can start with the walls, do some lighting later, add some cabinetry on top of that. You go with the necessity, and for some reason you will find out that doing that also gives you a wider variety of ideas, because you have more time to think about your project before you initiate it. So guys, this is one of those projects that really helped us understand different type of market that we had not tapped into. And there is a lot of potential there. So you find out that people are struggling. They have this amount of money. They don't know what it can do, what it cannot do. At Jayfix, we have never been limited by the budget, the client budget. We always have a proposal for whatever budget you come with. Now the problem has been the clients. Our clients or our potential clients shy away from us. They think that their budget is not enough. The project manager brings in a unison from all the departments, so that you don't have to do a lot of repetition and reshuffling and exchange of people from now and then. That way your project goes on well. So it's always advisable, regardless of your budget, have a good planning. No, this amount I have is enough to do 1, 2, 3. And if you don't have assurance, or you are not sure of what it can do, reach out to us. Tell us, you have this space, you have this amount of budget, what can it do? We'll just give you that one. We'll help you understand more about your project. Then we can take your project and have it done within a very short time. So guys, until next time, see you.